Expensive espresso machines, hot beverages, and high foot traffic in your coffee shop can create plenty of opportunities for accidents. Buying the wrong insurance can force an owner to shut the doors or even put their personal assets on the line. Here is the insurance you need and 3 examples of what coffee shops pay for insurance. I'm Austin Landis, and I run a commercial insurance agency with clients across the US. Insurance works very well for large businesses because they have a lot of expertise and great insurance people at their disposal to help them avoid traps. I create these videos to give smaller and mid-sized businesses the tools and the resources to never get taken advantage of by an insurance company. Coffee shops aren't very risky businesses in the grand scheme of things. The insurance requirements are pretty simple too. Most coffee shops want insurance to fix 4 problems. 1, their landlord wants a certificate of insurance. 2, they want to cover property loss from theft or fire. 3, they need employee injuries to be covered. And 4, they need customer injuries to be covered. You can cover these 4 primary risks and most other risks with a simple business owner's policy and a workers' compensation policy from a quality insurance carrier. A business owner's policy is just a policy that combines your liability and property coverages into a single policy. This means you need a quote that doesn't exclude foodborne illnesses, has appropriate protective safeguard endorsements, includes liquor liability if you serve alcohol, and the property co-insurance is waived. In the link below, you can download a checklist that will detail what your policy should include and things to avoid that you can use while finding quotes for your coffee shop. Here is my method when putting together insurance for coffee shops. I secure the business owner's quote first. This is where you will most likely find pricing discrepancy and exclusions on certain coverages. Once I get the business owner's policy, I try to get the workers' compensation from the same carrier. Most insurance companies that'll write the business owner's policy will quote the workers' comp. Think of it this way. General liability included in your business owner's policy covers the property damage to other people's items or bodily injury to the customers that happen in your coffee shop. It also covers injuries such as food poisoning or burns to the customers. The property component of the business owner's policy covers the property that the business owns, such as the kitchen equipment, espresso machine, tables and chairs, and the other property owned by your shop and in your premises. The workers' compensation covers injuries that happen to your employees while they're working for you. It takes care of medical bills, time off work, and related costs. Here are real pricing examples from good quality insurance companies for a coffee shop with $250,000 in revenue, $1 million in revenue, and a multi-location $5 million in revenue for both general liability and property and workers' comp coverages of what I mentioned earlier in this video. At a $250,000 revenue and $50,000 in property value, the contents in the building, the general liability is $585, the property came in at $717, the workers' comp at $730 for a total of $2,032 or $170 per month. At a $1 million revenue coffee shop with $250,000 in property value, the GL is around $1,000, the property around $2,000, the workers' comp $1,682 for a total of $4,829 a year or around $403 per month. At a location with $5 million in revenue or a multi-location with $1.5 million in combined contents, the general liability is around $4,200, the property is $12,644, the workers' comp is around $7,000 for a total of $23,847 or around $2,000 per month. If you are looking for insurance on your coffee shop, you can download the checklist below to give to any agent that you're working with. Or if you're looking for quality options, you can get started via an online quote on our website, or you can schedule a time to talk on my calendar using the link below. I'm a 4th generation in this industry and we've been around for over 100 years. We can definitely help you get a good quote put together.